a friend from the 4x4 club used this stuff on his roof, on his white roof on the Defender, and it came like brand new. So I'm hoping it does the same with the Caravan. It's been sat in storage for about 6 months, so it's got quite a big grain off the trees. It's got a little bit fixed to do in there where the sails come out. Oh yeah, just a little bit in the bottle. See how that goes. There we have it, that's one side. And that's what it looked like before, that's the back still. Probably best I turn the Caravan round. Don't want to be doing the other side because the sun's on it, so it's going to be drying pretty quick. Still took some scrubbing, but not as much as what it was with some wash and wax I was using before, which was this stuff here. I was using that before through the jet wash. Just using that before through the pressure washer. Yep, happy with that. Bit of elbow grease. Let's come up canny. Well chuffed. There we have it. Nice and shiny. It's going pretty well there. Obviously I spin around. You don't want the sun on it because it just dries too quick. If it was dirty as mine, it just looks worse. So yeah, over the moon with that. It's like a brand new Caravan. And we do the roof when it's a bit overcast. It's a bit too bright at the minute. It just dries before I even get it brushed. So there are a couple of bits of gummy bits. Well, and that's like tar or something, so I'll have to use something else on that. Anything else? It's come off, so it's immaculate. I was going to leave the roof for another day because it was in the sun, but by the time I've been messing around with my solar panel, which doesn't work now for some reason, I'm in the shade, so yeah, happy days. Looks a bit naughty. Check that out. There we have it. There's a few bits on the roof still, but I'm not too fussed about them. All in all, nice job. Can't wait to get away. A couple of weeks Hemsley, the 4x4 lads, doing trials, some gymkhana type stuff. Yeah, I'll video that and get that up there. Yeah, hope you like it. See you later.